Hey everyone, it's Nancy with She's Got Yarn. Hope everybody's doing okay. I want to thank everybody again for all the wonderful birthday wishes. It was a wonderful birthday. Tonight I want to do something funny. I want to try this. We'll see if it happens. But it all started yesterday in my yarn room when I was trying to organize and put shelves together. And it was actually late last night. Well, my video aired, I guess, at midnight last night. Well, I get this video from Mad Mimi, Crochet and Farm Animals, okay? And she says in this video, well, the message under the video says, "This is why I can't get my work done. And you guys got to watch this." And she's watching my video, listening to the music to my video. So I want to start something. I want to tag everybody out there in crochet land anyways. We need to call this the egg Begga dance. And I think everybody needs to dance along with Mad Mimi, our Lala. Yes. So I challenge everybody to do a video. I'm going to do one right now to hers, and you're going to watch it on my TV. My internet's acting up, so my clicker won't work. But, okay, we're going to get down to the new Egg Begga song. Okay, everybody's got to do this. Turn it up. I challenge you to do the Egg Begga dance. You gotta do a video. Come on, guys. Let's have fun. I'm out of breath. I love you, Lala. I hope everybody has fun with this. I'm having fun with it. But hopefully somebody else will join in and do a video doing the Egg Begga dance by Mad Mimi, Crochet and Farm Animals. Love you, Lala. Mwah.